come and make this flaxseed gel with me. I'm going to detangle my hair today. I'm going to show you all what I did. As you can see, my hair is coiled up at the moment because I had a wash and go going, right? I had a wash and go going. So this is the state that it is in. And though the gel is there, and if I wet it up, then the gel would basically work as a detangler, you know, because it has that slippery feeling to it. But today I'm going to use flaxseed gel in my hair, in my daughter's hair. So I'm going to show you all how I make this. I purchased this. Well, I had this for a while. So that's the thing about flaxseed gel, it serves long. This is my flaxseed in the pot, y'all. So I'm going to cover this and let it stay for about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to show y'all the consistency and start the detangling process. Okay? Okay.
Yeah, no. Definitely not me. Easy, right here. That's you. That's you, dog. That's you.
So guys, I'm straining it. So I've completed making my batch of flaxseed gel. And of course, I placed it in my old gel container, extreme gel container. As you can see, it's large. This is super messy. I wish I had a container with a pump like this top that I could use to just pump it, but I'm gonna try this because I love to work with what I have. So let me try and see if this will make a difference. I don't have the bottle. I don't know where my daughters put the bottle, so I just have to just stick it in here like so and get into it. So first, before I even go in to try to even section off my hair, I'm just going to slap it like all over to get it to soften the hair a bit before I use my fingers to part it off. So yeah, so that's how I'm gonna do right now, guys. And of course, the flaxseed jelly go melt my coils them. You know when your heart melt when you see somebody or meet somebody that you like, you go on a date, you really like the person, and him just the vibes just a go on and him just a melt your heart. Yeah, that's how flaxseed gel melt your coils. So at this tier routine, y'all. Alright, let me just section off a little part to show you because my phone it's like full. Let me just do this side. I don't have any hair clips. Well, the pump thing now works. So I could just dip in a hit with my hand and just go in. It's super messy also. Ensure you're in something that you don't mind getting messed up because it's gonna run all over the place.
So now I'm just finger detangling like my life depends on it because my hair is so knotted up, y'all. It's not even funny because our coils, they love each other and they tend to wrap around each other and giving each other all that love, you know, like how you show your partner love when you're in a relationship. Yeah.
So first I'm just using my fingers to sort of finger the detangle to ensure I get out any coils that are wrapping around each other. No.
So this technique comes in handy, y'all, because what it does, it helps to minimize the amount of breakage you receive. So whenever you're gonna wash your hair, finger detangle first, then you go in with the comb.
It's melting my this side. I'm gonna show you. Ah, shake on me the hair here. You don't want to come on tomorrow? Show them how it melts for your hair.
So I'm done combing through and it's free of knots. So that side is detangled to my liking. So now I'm just putting it in a twist to set that section apart from the rest. I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna do my daughter's hair and then I'm gonna come back and finish my hair. Okay, so don't go nowhere, guys. Okay, y'all, so I just detangled my daughter's hair. That's why my hair is still looking like this, and this is what's left. So I'm going to use this for my hair, but in the meantime I'm watching Smallville, so I'm going to stop talking for a bit, and of course I'm eating these cheese crunches.
So I'm just going to let you guys watch me detangle my hair, okay? So yeah.
Old friends are never forgotten. What's that?
So y'all, if you reach this far in the video, comment down below which season are you watching right now on Netflix. I'm watching Smallville, and as you know, it's like 10 seasons, but I love to watch series. So which series y'all watching right now on Netflix, or which movie?
Bedside manner needs work. We're not here to hold your hand, Lex. You want a hug? Call your mother. Lex, come on. Please don't watch him. Hold on. That's a reaction. Trust your friend. Tell you this.
That's the end of it. Yeah, so let me know, are you a movie person, or like do you prefer listening music? Because I'm a movie type of girl. Do you have any movie recommendations that I should watch? Comment down below and let me know.
Clark, thank you for coming. It's good to see you.
So guys, at this point, I'm not in the mood to do my hair. I really want to get it done and over with. So as you can see, I did a big chunk. I did 2 big chunks at the back because I wanted to get it over with. But I would recommend, if you're not in the mood to do your hair, do not do it, because then you're gonna hurry and do foolishness and cause breakage. Okay, and the goal is to minimize that.
So yeah, I'm gonna do a wash and go right now. So I'm using this gel, extreme gel. I normally just go in with the gel, right? Simple, because I can't take the white residue when I do a wash and go. So I just go in with the gel, and then after it's dry, like a few days after, so I will just go in, oil my scalp. Yes, that's pretty much what I do. And I do use water or a leave-in spray to reactivate the gel. So that's what I typically do. Now my hair is feeling like it is almost dry. I took so long to apply the gel after I came out of the shower, so I'm going to redamp my hair, because as you can see, it's feeling a bit dry, like most of the water came out of it. So I'm just going to apply it. So to kick off the wash and go, as you see, I did spray back the hair because it was getting a bit dry. Now I'm trying my best to do this into smaller sections because I want the curls to be really defined. Okay, so I'm just going to spray it and then just put the gel in my hair, work it through, and then basically the curls will form. So I'm gonna let y'all just watch me do this part, because I think I did this in my video, my previous video, Get Ready With Me shorts. It was a short. So if you guys haven't seen that video, go watch it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe. What you waiting for? Subscribe, support me. I'm almost at 1K subscribers, y'all. Please subscribe. I'm gonna do the rest off camera shortly, guys, because like I don't have as much space on this phone. So see the curls forming, y'all. For now, I'm just doing the wash and go because ear shot. And yeah, so right now I'm going to do my regular go-to with this length.
Learn. Snuff all the light from the room. Turn on your sink or shower to make sound of moving water. Huh. Those should already be on though, unless they changed it. Considering that this was oh that's still closed.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I did the wash and go. And this is the style I'm gonna rock. Let me give you guys a close-up. You can take a look at the curls. You see the curls? So this is what I'll be rocking for this week, y'all. Do you normally do wash and goes, guys? Let me know below. You can leave a comment if you typically do wash and goes, if you're more of a stretched hair girly, because I know keeping the hair stretched, it works wonders. I think it's the best route to go with our tie coils and whatever. But if you know how to manage your wash and goes, you'll be fine just the same. But yeah guys, this is the finished look. I love it. Yeah, and of course my face looks bright up and everything from the little self-care eyebrow shading that I did and so forth. So yeah guys, I feel so pretty. But yeah, let me take a picture right now. Hey, thank you guys for watching, and remember to hit the red subscribe button if you learned anything from this video. Hit the red subscribe button if you like this video. Subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below, guys. And do you typically do wash and goes, or are you a stretched hair girly? I think this is cute. What do you think? Bye.